Fox Oscar Hotel Alpha Mike, contact Simbad 118.45.
Calling for Simbad 1845, have a good one.
November 888 Hotel running 10 clear for takeoff, winds 080 degrees, 11 knots.
When we're at 643, after that heavy is bypass, taxi with Delta, exit the Charlie apron via the east and proceed to Delta and hold short.
Copy, taxi Delta is going to be east with 643.
888 Hotel, airborne time 23, contact Juliana approach 13895.
2895 or 8 Delta?
Correct, 128.5.
2895, 8 Delta.
Same I said 123 from Foxtrot, on the 10 takeoff, the wind 080 degrees, 1 knots. So they can have fucked up the Maarten 123. With a 643 on the Delta. Down and join right on the network. 623 traffic inbound out of St. Bart's Caravan, opposite direction. And traffic just airborne proceeding southwest bound to Seaball. Advise that they will make the initial that departing aircraft. Six on the back track. Yeah, there it is. About 133, go ahead, read back.
Okay, we requested with 28 for Takeoff, 133.
So about 133, runway 28 is on request. After departure, Gouda, Lima 204, Melissa.
After departure, Gouda, Lima 204, Melissa, Copa, 133.
So about 133, read back is correct. WestJet 3546, advise when ready for departure.
We advise you when ready for departure, WestJet 3546.
Volunteer 3206, they're proceeding to Bravo 2 for parking.
Proceed to Bravo 2 for parking, Volunteer 3206.
070 degrees 12 knots. Seabot 201 Tango, continue inbound, clear on the right now. Angle 620, you're going to be number 2 for landing, following up Lattice BC-12 inbound from the south. Aircraft calling, Juliana, say again.